How to decide if the MBNA Mastercard is right for you. Choosing the right credit card can be a challenging decision. With so many options available, knowing the features and benefits of each card can help you make an informed choice. The MBNA Mastercard is one of those options that might suit your financial needs. First, consider the type of user you are. If you often find yourself transferring balances from other credit cards, the MBNA Mastercard offers competitive interest rates for balance transfers. This can be a cost-effective way of managing existing debt. Next, check if you value rewards. The MBNA Mastercard comes with a range of reward options, including travel points, cashback, and even contributions to your preferred organization. Choose a card that aligns with your lifestyle and spending habits to maximize your benefits. Also, look at the annual fee. Some MBNA Mastercards have no annual fee, which is ideal if you're aiming to minimize expenses. However, cards with fees often come with extra perks, like higher reward points, which might justify the cost if you use the card regularly. It's crucial to consider the interest rate on purchases, especially if you think you'll carry a balance. The MBNA MasterCard generally offers competitive rates, but always read the fine print to understand the exact terms. Additional benefits like purchase protection, extended warranties, and travel insurance can add substantial value. Review each card's offerings to decide what additional features you might find beneficial. Security features are another important factor. The MBNA MasterCard includes standard security measures like zero fraud liability, providing peace of mind when making purchases. Lastly, assess the customer service reputation. Having prompt and helpful customer support can make a significant difference when issues arise.